Good day. So, yung gagawin namin is paano i-ping yung dalawang PC using a crossover. Then, open the Cisco Packet Tracer. Then, we must have to do is go to the end device, then click the PC. Then, ganun din, another PC. To connect the two naman, to PC, piliin mo yung crossover. Then, connect the PC0 to PC1, and after that, the PC0, click the PC0, then configurations, then click the fast Ethernet. In IP address, enter the 192.168.1.1. Then after that, click the PC1. Then click configurations and then click fast Ethernet. Then IP address, enter 192.168.1.2. And after that, click the PC0 to a command prompt. Type pinging and then IP address of PC0 and then enter. Yan. Then after that, go to PC1 and then type pinging and then the IP address of PC0.